Alright, hi guys, Sawadee Cup, and welcome to Funky Kitchen. So, what we're gonna do tonight is we're gonna make pad thai. This is by far the most famous rice noodle dish in Thailand. So, first we will have some shallots. And we will need bean sprouts. Next, for our pad thai, we will be using thin rice noodles, 5 millimeters. We will soak them in water at room temperature, but not for longer than 20 minutes. You don't have to do it for 2 hours. And you just put on a fresh plate. Perfect. Let's set it aside. And let's make our sauce. So, I have now prepared everything that we will need for our stir fry. I will prepare everything in small batches. So I will take out approximately the amount of vegetables that I'll be using for my portion. Take some of the ginger garlic, like this. Some of the sprouts, and some of the shallots. We will now get our sauce ready. We need a little bit of wine. We'll use this to deglaze vegetables. All right, let's go. You just put in some oil. All right. Then we will put in everything except for the garlic. Oh yeah, now that's what I'm talking about. A little bit too hot maybe. Good. That's the way we're doing this. Put in the garlic. Perfect. Time to deglaze. Well, as you can see, the alcohol is evaporating at the moment. Perfect. Now let's put in a little bit of our sauce. All right. Give it 1 swoop, 2 swoops, and we put in the noodles. And what you do now is you just keep on stirring. I will switch to this one. Make sure that the noodles now will absorb and will get cooked in our sauce. This is basically the major part of this dish. I think we need a little bit more of the sauce, like this. It's as easy as that. Looks finished. Great. So now I will add a little bit of my tofu. What I will do now, I will still add a little bit of oil to make sure that the noodles don't stick. Wonderful. Finished. What you absolutely need for this is some peanuts. It's best if they are not salted. Time to serve. A wonderful plate. And time for decoration. We give a little bit of the lime juice. Of course, you can use fresh limes if you have them. I only got hold on this. You sprinkle some of those wonderful peanuts. Magic. So, have a look. This is what we're having. Wonderful. It almost feels like being back in Thailand. Sprinkle a little bit of vinegar chili sauce. See the tofu. Good consistency, firm. It takes some bites until you have all the flavors coming together. Really nice, wonderful, really good. I love this. So I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe and follow, and also hit the like button in case you liked this video. In case you did not, please tell me in the comments. And yeah, try pad thai as I did, or as usual, feel free to experiment. You know, try some different vegetables in it, add some cashew nuts to the peanuts or instead of the peanuts. You know, just feel free. And whatever you do, if you cook, do it with love. You know, the main ingredient. See you next time on Funky Kitchen.